All right, B, what are we doing today? Daddy Jack's going with the blues here.
I'm gonna do a roasted barbecue chicken pizza with bacon and cheddar cheese and red onion.
Whoa. And we're not gonna introduce him yet, but we've got a really serious and important guest just arrived. Not Santa Claus. Oh.
Too early for that.
Hey. Don't give it away.
Come over here and grab the barbecue sauce.
What kind of soft barbecue sauce we use? A Sweet Baby Ray's?
Yes, it is Sweet
yeah.
Baby Ray's, which in
Love
my opinion is the best.
Yeah, I agree.
Put a little parm there. And then I'm just gonna... I'm not gonna put too much of our shredded because I want the taste of the cheddar. Reach for some onions.
John, you got some chicken if you want. Okay, I'm good. Thank you right now.
Now the chicken I deboned from the whole chicken, the whole roasted, and I went ahead and marinated it in some barbecue sauce. Because who says too much barbecue sauce, right? Just wash my hands real quick and I'll throw the bacon. About to put her in.
Oh, how's your oven running, B?
Right now, I'm over 600.
600? Perfect. Yeah, we just started today from cold, so it got up the temperature pretty quick.
Yeah, I throw in a lot of water to get it going.
Yeah, ice cold. We got 15 degrees last night. This cold front came in, November 14th?
Yeah.
November 14th it came in, we were sitting on the back deck, basking in the sun 2 days ago, and this temperature...
And then it decided to freeze.
Huh?
And then it decided to freeze.
Yeah, but you know what? This is the first time everybody's hanging around a pizza oven now, B, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually had a lot of that over the weekend.
Notice how I switched positions over here?
In summertime, they run for the hills.
Yeah.
Can't take the heat, they get out of the kitchen. All right, we'll be right back. Oh, look at that steam coming off that chicken.
My bad. I always get you, don't
Always.
I?
That's because I stand behind you.
BBQ Chicken Pizza.
Sweet.
Oh, yeah. Dang it.
Almost like sex right
I won't comment on that.
No. Family show.
there. I didn't say that.
We got Chef Metal in the house. Which one you want, Metal? This one?
No, I don't want that one. That's fine.
Chef Metal moved on down the road with us, but he's back visiting with us. Here you go.
We're family. What are these?
Weapons.
Yes. That's hot as hell. I'm not going to bite into that.
That's why I got the knife and fork.
I like how you think.
Oh, yeah. That chicken, when you marinate it, melts in your mouth right now. Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's really good.
It melts in your mouth and it's melting my mouth because it's so hot. But it's really, really good. The onions kick ass.
That's a really quick-witted play on the words. I like that.
Thanks, Dad.
They call it double entendre. What is that? I don't even know.
Oh yeah.
That's really good.
Not your average chicken barbecue pizza. I'll tell you that. Very good, B. Knock that one out of the park.
Yeah.
All right, put that in my
Super
tool box.
good. No, we can edit it.
Glenn Peltier on camera. Paula, she's missing out here today.
Yeah.
And 181 Bank Street, Bureau, downtown DeLon. Come visit. Peace.
Yeah, it really does melt.